So today, I'll show you how to display the ping and the packet loss in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So basically, this allows you to show the ping during online matches so that you can monitor your network during the gameplay. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console, then access this game page or home page, then press the options button on your controller to access this menu. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon to reveal all the settings. And within the settings, scroll down and select the interface option. So choose it. And then ensure you are in the global section. So in case you're in the game hub, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the global section. And then scroll down and find the telemetry section. And you should see the options server latency and packet loss. So enable these features, enable the server latency and also enable the packet loss. So once enabled, launch a game on your any gameplay or rather any game mode on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So launch it. And then let's wait for the match to launch. And then now during a match, you can see your server latency and packet loss. So give it a few minutes to launch the match. So the match is found. So let's wait for a few seconds to get into the game. And as you can see in the top left corner, it displays your latency and also it shows the packet loss. So that's basically it on how to enable or rather to display the latency and packet loss in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have the hardpoint.